This is Barry Zalma speaking about an age-old problem faced by every vendor to every insurance company. How to give a gift to insurance company claims personnel who are your direct clients and who provide you with income if their company refuses to allow them to take a gift. Most insurers have rules prohibiting their employees to take a gift from a vendor for fear it might cause problems. When I was a young lawyer, I tried to give gifts to the claims personnel who referred cases to me and my law firm. I tried to provide them with gifts that they would enjoy, only to be told I was violating the company rules and might lose my position as a vendor. I talked with management and finally reached a solution where I was allowed to make a gift to the claims offices and would send them a book for their library. Usually, back in those days, a copy of the California Insurance Code or some insurance journal. It was acceptable and accepted by the claims people with good grace, and didn't disappear as would a box of Mrs. Field's cookies. If your firm or company works with insurers as a vendor and you wish to thank them as your clients, consider a gift of a book or books for your clients that involve their profession. And you can do this through the insurance claims library that I have created with books I have written to assist the insurance claims professional. And they include things like a compact book on how judges read, understand, interpret, and rule on insurance policies issues, the compact book on ethics, how to acquire, understand, and make a successful claim on a commercial property policy, the tort of bad faith, the equitable remedy of rescission of insurance, why insurance fraudsters deserve no quarter, the examination under oath to resolve insurance claims, Insurance Fraud Volume 1 and 2, 2nd edition, the Homeowner's Insurance Policy Handbook, why it's time to abolish the tort of bad faith, insurance fraud costs everyone, California SIU Regulations 2020, California Fair Claim Settlement Practices Regulations 2022, Zalma's Mold and Fungi Handbook, Getting the Whole Truth, Interviewing Techniques for the Lawyer, Zalma on Insurance Claims, 3rd edition, 10 volumes, Mold Claims, 3rd edition, a manual for the first-party property insurance adjuster, the compact book on adjusting liability claims, 3rd edition, the little book on ethics for the American lawyer, Random Thoughts on Insurance, fictionalized true crime books, including Insurance Fraud Costs Everyone, Candy and Abel, Murder for Insurance Money, Murder and Insurance Fraud Don't Mix, Murder and Old Lace, Solving Murders Performed for Insurance Money, Arson for Terrorism and Profit, MOM and the Taipei Fraud, Arson for Profit, Fire at the Cowboy Bar and Grill, the Defeat of a Fake $10 million Jewelry Robbery. Then there are new books from full Court Press, including the Insurance Law Desk Book, the California Insurance Law Desk Book, Zalma on Property and Casualty Insurance Law Desk Book, the California Insurance Law Desk Book, and Insurance Bad Faith and Punitive Damages Desk Book. And from Thomson Reuters, Property Investigation Checklists Uncovering Insurance Fraud, 13th edition. And from the American Bar Association, the Insurance Fraud Desk Book, written for individuals who are focused on the effort to reduce expansive and pervasive occurrences of insurance fraud. Then Diminution in Value Damages, a book on how to determine the proper measure of damage to real and personal property, and the Commercial Property Insurance Policy Desk Book, or How to Acquire a Commercial Property Policy and Present and Collect a First-Party Property Insurance Claim. This video was adapted from my blog, Zalma on Insurance, which is available free to anyone who clicks on the URL zalma.com/blog. You can subscribe to the blog and you will be given access to the more than 4,700 blog postings and will be notified of every blog posting, usually 5, sometimes 6 a week. And if you're interested in further information and knowledge, please consider subscribing to my Substack publications or my Locals community, which you can subscribe to for a very small fee. And please also tell your friends and colleagues about what is available. And if you do, in fact, purchase any of my books for your clients, please advise them that if you give me their email addresses, they will get a free subscription to Zalma's Insurance Fraud Letter and to my Substack publications. Thank you for your attention.